Dits is the world's first do-it-yourself phone case. You can make your own 100% unique phone case in any shape or design. And here's how it works. Inside the pack, you'll find all the magic stuff for creating your own unique phone case. The modeling clay is in the big sachet and the hardener in the small sachet. The colors are in the transparent sachets. You'll also find a pair of gloves. You can do it all with your hands, but for optimum results, we recommend using a rolling pin, 2 pieces of parchment paper, a craft knife or cutter, a ruler, cooking oil, and a small object on which to place your phone, an egg cup, for example. Ready to start? Make sure you won't need to use your phone for at least 4 hours. That's the time the modeling clay takes to harden. It might be a good idea to create your Dits phone case in the evening so the clay can harden overnight. You can practice with the modeling clay without adding the hardener, but make sure you don't mold it onto your phone at this stage. Step 1. Add the hardener. When you're ready to start, put on the gloves. Take a piece of parchment paper and pour a drop of cooking oil onto it. Now distribute the oil with a second piece of parchment paper. Mix all of the modeling clay with the hardener. Knead well until you get a smooth mixture. You now have 40 minutes before the hardener begins to set. Set aside a small portion of the clay for decoration later on. Step 2. Add the color to the clay. You can use the colors individually or combine them as you like. Step 3. Build. You're now ready to flatten the modeling clay with the rolling pin or your hands. Make it as thick or thin as you wish. The thicker the clay, the sturdier the phone case will be. Alternatively, the thinner it is, the less bulky it will be. Now remove the upper layer of parchment paper. Place your phone on top of the modeling clay and use a craft knife or cutter to remove any excess clay around it. If you want clean lines, use a ruler when cutting along the phone. Now, begin wrapping and folding the modeling clay along the edges and around the phone. And don't worry, as long as you have added the hardener, the phone case will come off later without any problems. Step 4. Decorate. Turn over your phone and place it on a small object, an egg cup, for example. Now it's time to get creative. Use the portion of clay you set aside earlier to make your own unique cover design. After the modeling clay hardens, let it rest for a minimum of 4 hours without touching it. Step 5. Fine-tuning. Now it's time to add the finishing touches. Peel off the cover and use the cutter to expose the charging point, audio jack, camera, and buttons. That's it! Your 100% unique phone case is ready to use. Dits, the world's first do-it-yourself phone case. Happy with the result? Take a picture of your phone case and share it with us on Instagram.